there might be people in our life who we feel unsettled with, unfinished with, didn't end well. And we get that little feeling inside yourself anytime you think about that person. Take a moment and call upon beings of love and light who have profound self love to encircle that person. And so every single time you think about this person, where it's a little and inside them, you might think they're in the upset, the anger, the frustration, the victim, the victimizer, whatever it might be. It's a messy moment that they're in. Every time you think about them, you see them in a higher realm, encircled by beings who are in profound self love, holding the safest, most gentle container for them, and modeling to them self love. They're not attached to this person cultivating self love, they're just modeling it. And when you witness that into being, then there might be some peace in your heart when you think about them. And that starts to tend a fabric in a really beautiful and powerful way. So I've done that with anybody where it just didn't feel resolved. It was a little messy. Maybe there was some hurt involved. And I just witnessed them being encircled by these beings of love and light, ascended masters, or just beings of love and light that have profound self love, holding the safest container for this person. You're not overriding their free will and choice.